Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new update on Ondo. Very much necessary, and hopefully some of you made some money on the video I made yesterday. Because I covered Ondo yesterday. Yesterday, Ondo was also looking pretty good compared to other cryptos. I mean, Ondo in general, it's a great project, all right? And I've said that time and time again. So I don't think we need to go in depth about the project and why I think it has potential, etc. But what we saw technically is that Ondo held up extremely well with all of those dumps that we had on, first of all, Friday afternoon or Friday evening, kind of depending on the well, it was kind of in the middle there, but could be in the morning as well, depending on your time zone. But also Saturday evening, the entire crypto market crashed, but Ondo did pretty well. All right, I even think, even though I'm not sure about this, I even think that if you compare Ondo to Bitcoin, which I cannot do, but even if you check that out, it's stronger than Bitcoin. And there's multiple reasons for that. I already said yesterday, I think it's maybe there's a bit of manipulation going on here as well, which is not the end of the world, but maybe that's just the truth. And then apart from that, Ondo is a great project. All right, there's some great backers they have. I think it's still at a fair valuation compared to the value it brings. It's part of the RWA narrative. I'm very bullish on Ondo. I'm also a pretty big holder of Ondo, so obviously I'm happy with these movements. But that might be the reason. But what we talked about yesterday is that Ondo was very much consolidating here in this area between 85 cents and 70 cents. And what I told you yesterday, because of the strength, is that if Bitcoin gets a bounce here, Ondo can actually get a bullish breakout, which we did above 85 cents, which was also called in the video. And we got that we almost got the retest. But in general, after that breakout and we got close to the level, would have been an amazing trade. Now, did I take it? No, because all of this happened while I was sleeping. But great trade. So hopefully some of you took it. But now the main question is, all right, well, what's next? Ondo at this point of time, it's still super strong. All right. But again, and I don't mean anything bad with this, but if you look at the moves from Ondo, it does look a bit manipulated. All right. And that's just the truth to it. I don't think that there's anything you can say against that. If you look at Ondo and the spikes it gets right here, then it just is a bit manipulated. Now, does that matter? No. I still think we're bullish. I mean, if you look at Ondo right here, and if you look at the momentum that we got, especially overnight, it's incredible. Like the open interest rallied much higher, and you can also see that, especially when we started rallying at 12 a.m. in my time zone, we got some big buy orders. All right, and then over the course of earlier this morning, we also got some big buy orders. So in my eyes, Ondo still looks bullish. We hit that key resistance level between $1, psychological level as well, and 1.05, which was the previous top. And now the main thing we have to do is, first of all, Bitcoin shouldn't crash. If Bitcoin crashes, we have a problem either way. And then second of all, Ondo should hold this level between 90 cents and 95 cents. 95 cents is the closest support. It's the main resistance level we had at the end of March. And 90 cents is the 382 fib. 90 cents psychological support level, and in general a support level. All right, so that's the main level. And what I think is most likely at this point of time, because I expect Bitcoin to continue to be bullish, because Ondo still has a lot of momentum, and because technically we are very strong, I expect that level to hold and Ondo to eventually break above 1.05 and rally up to the next price target, which in my eyes is around 1.2 and 1.25. That's what I expect. Now, like I said, if Bitcoin turns very bearish, or if Ondo fails to hold that level at 90 cents, especially because that's the last support level, then we'll just consolidate. And then we'll just move sideways. I don't expect a crash unless Bitcoin crashes. So in general, I'm very bullish on Ondo. But yeah, wait for some confirmation. Wait for it to really react to that level. Wait for Bitcoin to break above 67,000. Then you should be fine. For now, looks great, but be wary, all right, and be careful. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.